The next question is from Roshan from San Jose. Dear Kala Bhairava, at the time before the part begins to think, it is separate from source. It is same as the source. Then isn't it basically the source separating itself from itself, since the part only comes into existence after separation?
The moment the thought raises, part is a part. As a truth, it never separates, and in the normal comparative existence, the part appears first as part only, decides to have the thought of separation, whole does not decide. What decides becomes part. That is why the word part, decides to feel as part, is the right expression in the language in which you understand. When Kala Bhairava, Mahadeva, reads out the truths, he reads out in the language you understand. There are many existential reality-based truths can never be read out in the language you understand. So, when he reads out in the language you understand, that is the best form of expressing possible.
The next question is from Srinitya Atma Manishananda. Dear Kala Bhairava, only source exists. There is nothing other than source exists. Then what makes the source to become individual consciousness, and why? That is what is the birth. I only existed after that event. Prior to this, I was not there. I know it is impossible for anything else, including I, to be other than the source. Then why I, the individual consciousness, is persisting? One source has become individual consciousness. What makes greed, fear, lust, desires to pop up in the individual consciousness? O beloved Mahadeva, please clear these doubts.
Atma Manisha, already your doubts are cleared. All the answers I gave has clarified your doubt. Mahadeva has already read out the sacred secrets about this question and doubt. Whatever Mahadeva read out, listen to that intensely. These doubts and questions will disappear. Mahadeva has answered this question.